Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm doing well too.
That's great. What's your name?
I'm Emma. And you?
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Jack.
Are you new here?
Yes, just moved in last week.
Welcome then. Where are you from?
I'm from Bristol. How about you?
I'm from Manchester. Been here for a year now.
Oh, do you like it here?
Yeah, it's quiet but nice. What do you do?
I'm still in college, studying psychology. What about you?
I work at a little bookshop in town.
That sounds lovely. Do you enjoy reading?
I do, especially mysteries. What do you like?
I love stories too, but I'm more into films.
Same here. Maybe we could catch a film sometime.
That would be fun.
Do you live nearby?
Just down the road, actually.
Oh, me too. Small world.
Yeah, it's nice to make a new friend.
Absolutely. Let's keep in touch.
Sure. See you around, Jack.
See you, Emma. Take care.